Hi kids! Welcome to the Wild Animal Adventure. Today, we're going to meet some amazing wild animals and learn fun facts about them. Are you ready? Let's go! Playtime with TimKo Kid, Tim and Robbie Bros. First, let's meet our wild animal friends. Say hello to Kiki the Koala.
Hi, I am Kiki the Koala. I'm cuddly and love to nap in eucalyptus trees.
Fun fact. Did you know koalas sleep up to 20 hours daily? Kids, meet Katie the Kangaroo.
Hello, I'm Katie the Kangaroo. I love to hop and I have a pouch for my baby.
Fun fact. Did you know kangaroos can jump over 10 feet high? That's like jumping over a bus. Say hi to Ollie the Ostrich.
Hi, I'm Ollie the Ostrich. I'm the largest bird in the world and I can't fly, but I can run really fast.
Fun fact. Did you know ostriches can run up to 45 miles per hour? That's faster than a car on a city street. Meet Harry the Hippo, children.
Hi, I'm Harry the Hippo. I'm big and love to spend my time in the water.
Fun fact. Did you know hippos can sleep underwater? They come up for air automatically while they snooze. Wild animals are so cool, and each one has unique traits that make them special. Let's see them have a party together. Fun fact! Did you know that there are over 8.7 million different species of animals on Earth? That's a lot of amazing creatures to learn about. So next time you visit a zoo or read a book about animals, remember all the fun facts you've learned today about our wild animal friends. They are truly incredible. Bye kids, stay curious and keep learning.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and healthy tips.